Unlock the power of your Twilio number to receive incoming voice calls by understanding how to configure its call handling. When a call comes into your Twilio number, Twilio looks for instructions on how to handle it. These instructions come from a web address known as a voice URL, which points to your application. Your application then responds with TwiML, a set of simple XML instructions that tell Twilio what to do next. First, you need a Twilio phone number capable of receiving voice calls. Log into your Twilio console, navigate to the phone numbers section, and acquire a new number. When selecting, make sure it has voice capabilities enabled. Once you have your number, click on it to open its configuration. Scroll down to the voice and fax section. Here, you'll see a field labeled "A call comes in." This is where you specify the voice URL. Enter the publicly accessible URL of your web application that will respond to incoming calls. Your application at that URL will receive an HTTP request from Twilio when a call arrives. In response, your application sends back TWIML. For example, to make Twilio say a message to the caller, your TWIML would instruct Twilio to play a spoken greeting, or, if you want to forward the call, your TWIML would tell Twilio to connect the caller to another phone number. With your voice URL configured and your application set to respond with TwiML, you can now call your Twilio number to test it out. You've successfully configured your Twilio number to receive and handle incoming voice calls.